What's up, y'all? You're kicking it with the Junkyard Dog and junkyarddoggs.com. It's your boy Tony in the house, man. So, first of all, Merry Christmas to everybody, man. Happy holiday. Glad to have you guys rocking with your boy. I have not put out a video in quite some time, and there is good reason for that. So, yeah, it's been a great year so far, and it's been a good time for Project Mayhem and for all the projects I got going on, for all the sponsors and whatnot. So yeah, I got some pretty good things going on, so I'm just going to give you guys an update. As far as the Project Mayhem dual supercharger intake, I have picked up a mill, a 3-axis knee mill, to be able to machine my own parts. There's good reason for that. It was due time. As a machinist, it was just due time that I get my own stuff, because I was kind of tired of always depending on other people to get things done. And it was just taking extra long, and I didn't like how long it would take. So we're going to end up putting the mill over here in this corner. That's why I cleared out this area here to stick the mill. And yeah, we're going to have Edison come and hook up my power, and then I'll have an electrician come hook up the mill. So I got that running and going within the next 2 weeks. Also, I got a couple test cars to make parts for as well. So one of my buddies, he's got a 67 Mustang that he wants me to do some custom parts for. So I'm going to use it as a template to make parts for other 67 Mustangs. So that should be pretty dope. Of course, you guys know that I finished the assembly of the lower part of the Mayhem motor. You guys know about that. But what you don't know is I got this 4-valve from a Lincoln Mark 8. So the plan with this is going in my 67 Cougar. I just wanted to do something different, a different kind of motor or whatnot. So this has got the Lincoln Mark 8 cams, you know, it's got the you know, the Lincoln crank and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to make it do what it do. I picked up in a deal some Cobra cams for like 150 bucks or something. It was super cheap. And I picked up some Manly rods, the whole set of rods, for 300 bucks. And the pistons. And I'm missing one. It's missing one piston and one rod. So I went on Jegs. Jegs has got one rod for $85. Boom, I'm in there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to swap that over to create a Cobra clone motor, so you guys can check that out. It's going to be pretty fun. It's going to be a pretty fun build. And yeah, so otherwise than that, the shop's a freaking mess because I was just getting things organized. As you can see over here, that's what I've been doing. Just labeling everything, getting stuff all together, and throwing a gang of stuff away. I threw away a lot of stuff. As far as Project Mayhem's body, I'm taking that over to, or I took it over to the Fab Lab. My man Gelate Thomas, he's hooking it up, doing the tubular front on the car, a roll cage, a front splitter, and a rear diffuser. So we going in, and he's putting in the subframe connectors and a whole other gang of stuff, okay? Also, too, let's take a look at this rear end here. This is the rear end that's going into Mayhem. It's 410 gears, so we're going to use this. I just cleaned it up. I just tried to strip off all the paint that I could, and get that going. Now we have another rear end here, but this one's got the welded diff, which I don't like the idea of a welded diff, so I'm not going to use it. But what I do like about this is the dual caliper setup. As you can see, okay, that's the dual caliper setup that we're going to be using on Mayhem. All right, so I gotta strip this welded diff off and take all the stuff out, take the axles out, and transfer all of this to the other rear end with the 410 gears, and then we'll go ahead and install it on Mayhem. All right. So yeah, that's it, man. I just wanted to give you guys an update. Happy Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff. And yeah, stay rocking with your boy. I want to try and put out an official video in the next few days. But until then, guys, keep rocking, keep junkyard dogging. Woo!